Hello, everyone. In this video, we will look at how we design the BST. Now, we're going to design the BST in this UML diagram. So here's the BST. The BST contains the data fields, the root. From root, you can traverse all the data in the BST. And this is the size of the tree, the number of the elements in the tree. And this is a constructor. And here, performing search, insert, delete. And this is in order, pre-order, post-order, get size is empty, clear. And this is the path. So you're going to return a list that's representing the path from the root and leading to the node. And this E, and that contains this element. If it doesn't, it goes all the way down to the end. So until you locate it or you don't locate it, you get a pass. So this is the BST class, and this is the implementation of the BST class. So I'm going to write the code, and for this init method, and for the search method, and for the insert method, and here, and we're going to have this other methods here, and this is, we're going to talk about this delete and in the future. So for now, let's look at for the search. So what do you do with search? So we're going to start from the root. So here's the current. If the current is not known, and we're going to compare this element with this current dot element. If it's less, and we go to the left. So if it's greater, and we go to the right. Else, okay, now you can return true because you find it. So this is to return true. All right, so here's the insert. And so you can write your code and practice it. And here, and it's for the insert. Now we have this class. We're going to write a test program for this class. So you can test this. And so we're going to create a BST. Empty one, insert. And so you can insert, here is insert Peter. All right, so now get the in order, post order, pre-order. All right, so this is to get a pass for Peter. And now you can create another tree and using numbers. So here the first tree is for the strings. So let's look at this, how you implemented the in order, pre-order, post order. So here is in order. So we're going to use a help method. And from this help method, we can do a recursive call. So this is in order. Invoke this help method starting from the root. And now this is the starting from the root. If the root, this is not known, so we are going to first recursively using the in order and to the starting from the left, and now visit this root element and now going to the right. So this is very simple implementation from the definition using recursion. That is all for this section for the design and implementing of BST. And we are going to look at how you're going to delete the elements from BST in the next video. See you on the next video.